Friends, thank you for watching my channel. I just want to remind you, if you need wallpaper, go to www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Tell them Spencer sent you. In fact, if you use my hashtag, Spencer Colgan is wallpaper, they'll be sure to give you 10% off at your checkout. No matter how much you order, they have a wide selection of wallpaper. Check it out. Tell them I said hello. You're going right along and you're doing beautifully. And your wallpaper's coming out gorgeous. Until you tear it. You know, I didn't know what to do with this until I took a good hard look and analyzed the rip before I knew how to fix it. So you have 3 parts of the rip. Watch this. This one, and this paper here that doesn't look like it belongs. But you know what? I thought about it, and I realized something. That paper does belong. And the only way to mend that paper back together is to figure out which of the 2 pieces of the tear goes on top. You see that white here? If you analyze it, you'll realize what's going on. That's paper that belongs under this. So watch this. Watch this. That's how you fix a tear. You put the paper back together. I never realized it until I took a good hard look at what a tear actually produces. And once you figure it out, it goes right back on top of each other, and then you mend it. Let me show you what I mean. Now, anytime you get a tear in paper wallpaper, you're going to see a saturation mark because you pull the backing off, then you put it back. And so where the white on the outside joins, you've made a seam. And so for temporarily, it's going to be a little darker where the rip was. But if you've mended the paper back together properly, you're never going to see it when it's dry.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making the spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making the spirits bright.